Hi there, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Ashoke fan design. Now this Ashoke fan design can be used on top of your fascinator. You can use it to do something on your turban, on your hats, even as a hair clip or hair ruffle. Now what you need to first of all do is get your strip of Ashoke. Now I have it doubled here, so I'm measuring 33 inches out. Now since it's double, it means that it is actually 66. Now you see me lifting it up, it is 66. So I'm going to cut it off, which I've just done. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the tips together, as in fold it, roll it over so it covers and there's no hairs shooting out. And I'll sew the two front and back lengths. Okay, so now I've done it. You can see it's glued together. Now it makes the Ashoke thicker so it can stand like how you saw in the picture in the YouTube thumbnail. That's the first picture you saw. The next thing you're going to do is start folding like you make your paper hand fan. Now, if you have not made a paper hand fan before, please do make one first before you make the Ashoke. Anyway, so it's just pleating like that. That's what you do. So I'm going to do it all the way down. Now when it gets almost to the end, because it's thick sort of, I couldn't continue that way, so I had to use my hand, as you can see me do. So that's the way you do it if you get to that extent. Now the next thing you want to do is take your I have elastic band here, but please do make use of Alice band. I mean, not Alice band. Make use of rubber band to hold it. I couldn't get a hold of rubber band easily, so we made use of an elastic band here to hold it. Once you hold it down, the next thing you want to do is take your needle and your thread, and you're going to be passing it from the one side through to the other end. Now I actually thought it couldn't pass one time, so I was doing it piece by piece, taking one Ashoke fan strand piece by piece all the way down. Keep watching and learning. And when you reach the end, okay, you're going to be taking it back through the close to the spot, not the exact. If you take it exact, of course it will all pull out. So you take it through that same spot. Now that's when I realized, oh, it can pass through easily like that. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can remove your elastic band, or you should use rubber band actually. Don't follow me and use elastic band. And your hand fan design is ready for you to use. I use this on a satellite fascinator. If you enjoyed this video and you gained value, do give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more tips and the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And check out this next tip on straw mats.